Remember that famous English ballad, "Whatever a fool does wrong," retold so memorably by Samuel Marshak. At its heart, it's not just a nursery rhyme, it's a cautionary tale about passing on life lessons without context. Mom says, "Do this" to her son, but omits the crucial when, where, and why. So he laughs at funerals, weeps at weddings, you get the picture. Without context, advice backfires. Life's wisdom can simply be regurgitated like a recipe. You have to live it. Only when you find yourself in that exact situation do the words suddenly make sense. No conditions, no learning. If you've never been in that scenario, those pills of wisdom remain just words on a page. Hence, the age-old struggle between parents and kids. Each generation has to rediscover the same lessons they knew. That endless loop of repeating our parents' paths. Thankfully, science offers a shortcut. By rigorously logging every single condition and variable, we transform isolated insights into a body of knowledge that anyone can tap into. No more, you had to be there. We fill in the blanks with experiments designed to cover every possible twist and turn. In experimental psychology, every article is built the same way. You start with a clear, testable hypothesis. A influences B, then you list every other factor that might meddle with that link, even the wildest possibilities. You control, isolate, and repeat. That's how you accumulate real, reliable insights. As Claude Bernard, a biologist not a psychologist, famously said, "We are dwarfs perched on the shoulders of giants." Here, those giants are the psychologists and researchers who painstakingly mapped out the conditions under which their discoveries hold true. Because everything once is spelled out, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. We simply read the study and know exactly how to apply it. And that wraps up part 1. Stay tuned for the next installment, where we dive deeper into how we actually design those experiments and turn raw observations into robust psychological science. Bonus tip: this emphasis on context isn't just academic. Next time you're mentoring a friend, think beyond the what and how. Spell out the when, the where, and the why. You'll save them a lot of puzzled looks down the road.